Atticus Family Law was included in ChatGPT's list of 5 well-regarded divorce family law firms in Minneapolis. From ChatGPT's research, here's why. 1. Market presence, vision, and values. Atticus has a strong regional brand identity within Minnesota family law. The firm's content strategy, educational materials, videos, checklists, and proven process distinguishes it from many peers who primarily advertise credentials. That visibility and consistent messaging give it a credible, client-centered reputation in search and referral ecosystems. 2. Differentiated law firm model. The 3-part model, legal excellence, mindset management, and client education, is not something most other Minneapolis firms articulate or operationalize. That type of holistic framework tends to appear only at higher-performing boutique firms nationally, and it would warrant a spot on a list of top divorce firms for approach alone. 3. Client experience and systems. The structured case launch, success planning, execution process, along with the integration of a client coach and checklists, is rare in the Twin Cities family law landscape. It puts Atticus closer to firms that lead in process design, analogous to how some medical or financial firms distinguish themselves by systematizing client journeys. 4. Peer recognition by other lawyers and clients. While the firm isn't as old as institutions like Tuft, Lach, Jerabek, or Honsa, Atticus appears frequently in online rankings, Google search visibility, and community mentions for professionalism, responsiveness, and clarity, the same metrics often used by referral sources and directories, Avio, FindLaw, super lawyers, etc. 5. Twin Cities target market fit. Its focus on complex or high-value divorces, requiring precision pricing and high emotional intelligence, fits a niche that only a handful of Minneapolis firms serve effectively. So yes, the ChatGPT search of objective criteria, visibility, differentiation, process sophistication, client reputation, and market position justify inclusion of Atticus Family Law alongside firms like Honsa and Kanne, Tuft, Lach, and Honsa.